So we are discussing about an hashing. What is a hashing means? Hashing is the process of indexing and retrieving the element in a data structure to provide a faster way of finding the element using the hash key. We will use an hash key and we will able to retrieve the data. How means with the help of indexing. So the data will be stored in the form of hash table. What is a hash table? It's just an array which maps a key data structure with the help of a hash function. Insertion, deletion, search operations are performed with help in a constant time. This is very important. This is the key. Key means the actual data which we need to store in the database. So with the help of the hash function, the index value will be generated and the key will be stored. This is called as an hashing function. So the hashing consists of two types. One is the static hashing, another one is the dynamic hashing. One is the static hashing, other one is the dynamic hashing. What is the static hashing means? Generally we have the search keys and the data buckets. We may call as keys and the data. Now we have a hash function. Here we have a data with the indexing. Here we have the key. This is how the data will be stored. Here in the static hashing, if you try to insert the new data, the number of the data allocated here, the indexed value will be unchanged. That means the buckets, we call this as the buckets, data buckets. So buckets are unchanged. All the times. It says that in the static hashing function we can't grow and increase the bucket size. That is the drawback. We cannot expand or we cannot shrink. Okay. Whereas in the dynamic function we can. This both is possible. We can increase the bucket size and we can decrease the bucket size. This is how the dynamic hashing will be done. In both the dynamic hashing as well, we can perform the operations like insertion, deletion and retrieving. All the operations can be performed. These all things can be performed in both the way. But what is the major difference between the static and dynamic means? Here we can't expand or shrink, whereas in the dynamic hash function we can expand. If this is the data bucket means, for now we have 3, we can able to increase that to the 5, or these 2 can be make only 1 bucket. This is possible in the dynamic hashing, and the growing and shrinking the data buckets is not possible in the static hashing. So how the hashing will be generated means, we have a data value and we have hash function. With this the index will be generated. Based upon the index we can able to retrieve and close the data. This is about the hashing. So hashing data structure, we have seen the what is an hashing and what is an hash table, and what is a static hashing and what is an dynamic hashing, and what is the difference between the static and the dynamic hashing.